प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? तो बच्चों, आजकल हम क्लास +2 का चैप्टर 1 करने जा रहे हैं, रिलेशन एंड फंक्शंस। और इसमें सबसे पहले हमने रिलेशन के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। उसके बाद टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशंस, रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांजिटिव के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। और तत्पश्चात हम ये एप्लीकेशंस कर रहे हैं रिलेशन एंड फंक्शंस पार्ट 3। तो बच्चों, पार्ट 3 तभी आएगा जब हमें पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 का नॉलेज होगा। तो जो भी हम पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3 पार्ट वाइज हम सीरीज वाइज ये हम एक्सरसाइज करने जा रहे हैं। तो आज हम रिलेशन एंड फंक्शंस का पार्ट 3 एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ द रिलेशन एंड फंक्शंस करने जा रहे हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सो दैट द रिलेशन आर इन द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स। रिलेशन आर इज द सबसेट ऑफ r cross r, where r is the real number and r is also relation. Relation R is the subset of R cross R, the set of real number. And according to the questions, R is equal to A comma B such that condition is A is less than and equal to B square. For is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive. ये हमने prove करना है. This is the question. This is very important question. Solution according to the question, the given relation, given set is, first of all, given set is the set of all real numbers R, and the given relation is R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B square for every A comma B belongs to the set of real numbers. तो बच्चों, अब हम बारी बारी इस रिलेशन को चेक करेंगे कि ये रिफ्लेक्सिव है, सिमेट्रिक है या ट्रांजिटिव है। तो इसकी हम कंडीशन जानते हैं। तो लेट अस डिस्कस दिस रिलेशन इज आइदर रिफ्लेक्सिव और सिमेट्रिक और ट्रांजिटिव। फॉर रिफ्लेक्सिव, इफ A comma A belongs to the relation R, for every A belongs to the set of real numbers, then the relation is reflexive. तो दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन। यदि A कोई रियल नंबर है या A स्मॉल a is an element in the given set, then the outer pair A comma A should be in that relation for every A belongs to the given set. But in this case, this condition fails. Here A comma A does not belongs to R for every A belongs to R. Because let us take an example, let A is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to R because 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2 का whole square, that is 1 by 4. This 1 by 2 जो है ये 1 by 4 से बड़ा होता है। तो इसलिए वो conditions, that is A is less than and equal to B square, and putting here A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is also 1 by 2, because in this case if A comma A belongs to R, then A must be less than and equal to A square. But in this case, for A is equal to 1 by 2, A is less than and equal to A square fails. It is not true. ये फेल हो जाती है कंडीशन इसके लिए। Hence, this relation is not reflexive. तो बच्चों, ये हम एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से कर सकते हैं। A की वैल्यू 1 by 2 लेंगे तो ये जो है वो रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर। What it is 1 by 2, that is half, is greater than 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर, that is 1 by 4. Hence, this relation is not reflexive. By virtue of this example, we have proved that the given relation is not reflexive because for a is equal to 1 by 2, it does not satisfy the condition a is less than and equal to a square or b square. For symmetric, the condition is, सबसे पहले तो बच्चों आप जब भी ये प्रूव करनी हो रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांजिटिव, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द प्रॉपर्टी of the reflexive, symmetric and transitive immediately. Then check whether the given question या given relation satisfied that condition or not. So first of all, for reflexive, if a comma b belongs to R, this is the condition, this is the property for reflexive. If a comma b belongs to R, this implies b comma a must belongs to R. For every a comma b belongs to the given set R या given set A. So in this case, a comma b belongs to R. If a comma b belongs to R, this implies b comma a does not belong to R for every a comma b belongs to R. यदि a और b की वैल्यू हम ये एग्जांपल के माध्यम से पुट करते हैं, let a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4, then 1 comma 4 belongs to R because 1 is always less than 4 square, a is less than b square, condition is satisfied, that is equal to 16. So it is true that 1 is less than 16, but 4 comma 1 does not belongs to R. In this case, 4 is not less than 1 square, it is greater than 1 square. The condition a is less than b square is not satisfied for this case. Hence 4 comma 1 does not belong to R. Therefore the given relation is not symmetric. तो बच्चों इस तरीके से हम ये विद एग्जांपल भी इसको हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि रिलेशन जो है वो आर सेट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर a comma b such that a is less than and equal to b square is not a symmetric relation, neither reflexive nor symmetric. Now let us check this relation for transitive property. Is this relation is transitive or not? Transitive condition is if a comma b belongs to R, b comma c belongs to R, this implies a comma c must belongs to R for every a comma b comma c belongs to the given set. Or in this question, the given set is also the set of real number. This R represent the set of real number, and this R and this R represent the given relation R. So let us check this transitive property with an example. तो बच्चों एग्जाम्पल की सहायता से हम इसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि ये ट्रांजिटिव है या नहीं. कुछ ऐसे एग्जाम्पल होते हैं जिसमें ये सेटिस्फाइड हो जाती है, परंतु हमें ऐसा एग्जाम्पल चूज करना है जिससे ये इस प्रॉपर्टी को ये फेल हो जाती है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस रिलेशन इज नॉट ट्रांजिटिव. तो लेट a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1.5. These are the three real numbers, a and b and c. They are real numbers. Here 3 comma 2 belongs to R because 3 is less than 2 का square, that is 4. It is clear that 3 is less than 4. Therefore 3 comma 2 belongs to the given relation R. 2 comma 1.5 also belongs to the R because 2 is also less than 1.5 square, that is 2.25. Hence 2 comma 1.5 also belongs to the given relation R. But 3 comma 1.5 does not belongs to R because 3 is not less than 1.5 square. 3 is greater than 1.5 whole square, that is 2.25. 3 is greater than 2.25. It does not satisfy the condition of transitive relation. Hence, if a comma b belongs to R, b comma c belongs to R, this implies a comma c does not belongs to R for every a comma b comma c belongs to the given set R. तो ये इसका एग्जाम्पल है. इस एग्जाम्पल ए बी और सी की वैल्यू 3, 2 एंड 1.5 लेने से ये प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो फेल हो जाती है, बिकॉज ए कॉमा सी 3, 1.5 does not belong to the given relation R. Hence the given relation is not transitive relation. अतः ये रिलेशन जो है वो ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन नहीं है. We can say that the relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive relations. और यही हमने प्रूव करना था. Hence the result. Question number 5. Check whether the relation R in the set of real numbers are defined by R is equal to a comma b such that a is less than and equal to b cube. Is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. तो इस क्वेश्चन को भी हम विद एग्जांपल प्रूव करेंगे और चेक करेंगे कि क्या ये रिलेशन रिफ्लेक्सिव है, सिमेट्रिक है, ट्रांजिटिव है. तो वो जो इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस में हमें 3 चीजों का ध्यान रखना है. नंबर 1, गिवन सेट क्या है. तो गिवन सेट इसमें है सेट ऑफ ऑल रियल नंबर्स. इसका मतलब है रिलेशन जो है वो दैट विल बी दी सबसेट ऑफ R क्रॉस R. रियल नंबर क्रॉस रियल नंबर, रियल नंबर टू कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दी R एंड R. एंड गिवन रिलेशन की कंडीशन क्या है. कंडीशन इज A is less than and equal to B cube where A comma B belongs to the set R. एंड गिवन रिलेशन क्या है. ये 3 चीजों का सबसे पहले ध्यान रखना होता है इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस करने का. तो सबसे पहले अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चंस द गिवन सेट इज द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. देयरफॉर द रिलेशन विल बी द सबसेट ऑफ R क्रॉस R. एंड द गिवन रिलेशन इज R is equal to a comma b such that a is less than and is equal to b cube. In this case A is less than and equal to B cube for A comma B belongs to the given set R. इस क्वेश्चन को कई बार A is less than B cube भी होता है कई एप्लीकेशन में. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको करते हैं R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B cube for every A comma B belongs to the given set R. Is a reflexive, symmetric or a transitive. First of all, let us check it for reflexive property. Reflexive, the condition is, सबसे पहले कंडीशन लिख देनी है प्रूव करने से पहले. A comma A belongs to R. ऑर्डर पेयर में एब्सिस एंड ऑर्डिनेट सेम होने चाहिए. A comma A belongs to R for every A belongs to the given set R. This is the condition for reflexive. This is if A comma A belongs to R for every A belongs to R, then the given relation is reflexive. But in this case, let us take A is equal to 1 by 2, which is a real number. But here 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, putting the value of A, does not belongs to R. Because the given condition A is less than and equal to A cube fails in this case. क्योंकि बच्चों 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 2 का cube, that is 1 by 8. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8, 1 by 2 का whole cube. In this case, hence 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to the R. Hence, for A is equal to 1 by 2, this property of reflexive relation fails. Therefore, we can say that the given relation is not a reflexive relation because if for every A belongs to the real number, a comma a does not belongs to the given relation R. Now let us check this relation for symmetric property. Symmetric के लिए चेक करते हैं कि ये रिलेशन जो है वो सिमेट्रिक है कि नहीं. The relation is R is equal to a comma b such that a is less than or equal to b cube. For symmetric, if a comma b belongs to R, this implies b comma a must belongs to R for every a comma b belongs to the given set R. This is the given set. It may be different. It may be natural number. It may be set A, given set. In this case, it is set of all real numbers. And this R represent the relation symbol. So let us check it with an example. Let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4. Both are real number. This is smaller than 4. A is smaller than 4. ऐसा आपने लेना है ये वैल्यू. Here 1,4 belongs to R. 1,4 belongs to R because 1 is always less than 4 cube, that is equal to 64. 1 is less than 64. But 4,1 does not belongs to R because 4 is greater than 1 cube, that is 1. 4 is greater than 1. Hence, if 1,4 belongs to R, this implies 4,1 does not belongs to R. It contradicts the property of this symmetric relation. इस रिलेशंस को, इस प्रॉपर्टी को ये contradict कर रहा है ये एग्जाम्पल. Hence, we can say that the given relation is not symmetric. Because for every a comma b belongs to R, this implies b comma a does not belongs to R for every a comma b belongs to the given set R. Hence the given relation is not symmetric. Now let us check this relation is transitive relation or not. For transitive property, the condition is if a comma b belongs to R, b comma c is also the element of R. यदि ये दोनों एलिमेंट हैं तो a comma c must belongs to R. यदि ये दो एलिमेंट, इस प्रकार के एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट ही नहीं है उस रिलेशन में, then there is no need to check the transitive property. That relation is already transitive relation. A comma b belongs to R. If b comma c also belongs to R, then a comma c must belongs to R for every a comma b comma c belongs to the given set R. Then the relation is transitive relation. This is the condition for the transitive relation. Let us check it with an example. Let a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1.5, which is also a real number, and c is equal to 4/3, which is also a real number. इस प्रकार से ये तीन वैल्यू ले ली हमने रियल नंबर्स और बारी बारी चेक किया. Here 3,1.5 belongs to R because 3 is always less than 1.5 whole cube. यदि इक्वल भी आ जाए तो भी ये सेटिस्फाइड होगी, परंतु ये 1.5 का होल क्यूब is equal to 3.375. 1.5 को 3 times मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वैल्यू विल बी 3.375, which is greater than 3. Hence 3 is less than 1.5 whole cube. Therefore 3,1.5 belongs to the given relation R. Similarly 1.5, 4/3 belongs to the given relation R because 1.5 is again less than 4/3 का whole cube, that is 64/27, that is equal to, after dividing we will get 2.37 up to 2 decimal points. So it is clear that 1.5 is less than 2.37. ये दो एलिमेंट मिल गए इस टाइप के हमें. A, B एंड B, C दो एलिमेंट इस रिलेशन में हैं, तो चेक करना है कि क्या A, C भी रिलेशन का एलिमेंट है कि नहीं। यदि A, C रिलेशन का एलिमेंट है, कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है, तो हम कहेंगे ये ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन है, अदरवाइज ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन नहीं है। तो लेट अस चेक व्हाट 3, 4/3 does not belongs to R, because 3 is greater than 4/3 का cube, that is 64/27, that is 2.37 up to 2 decimal points. 3 is greater than 2.37. Therefore, we can say that if A, B belongs to R, B, C belongs to R, this implies A, C does not belongs to R for every A, B, C belongs to the given set R. Hence, the given relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive. So this application is very, very important for examination point of view. We can prove this relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive with these examples. Now question number 4. Now for reflexive, if A, belongs to R, for every A belongs to the given set R, then the relation is reflexive. Let us check it with an example. Let A is equal to 2. Therefore, 2, 2 belongs to R. Because putting B is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, we get 2 is equal to 2. This satisfied this condition. Hence, the given relation is reflexive. So, this relation is reflexive by virtue of this example A is equal to 2. We have proved that this relation is reflexive. इसी प्रकार से यदि हम A की वैल्यू कोई भी रियल नंबर देंगे, तो हम जानते हैं कि एवरी रियल नंबर इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू इटसेल्फ. Hence, it is true for every real number. Therefore, the given relation is reflexive for every real number. Now, let us check it for symmetric. If A, B belongs to R, this implies B, A must belongs to R for every A, B belongs to the given set R. This is the condition for symmetric relation. The relation will be symmetric if A, B belongs to R. This implies B, A must belongs to R for every A, B belongs to the given set R. Let us check it with an example. Condition is that A is less than or equal to B. This is the condition of the relation. Let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. It is clear that 1, 2 belongs to R because 1 is always less than 2. These values of A and B satisfied this condition. A is less than and equal to B. Either A is equal to B or A is less than B. So this condition is satisfied for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Hence 1, 2 belongs to the given relation R. But 2, 1 does not belong to R because 2 is not less than 1. It is greater than 1. This condition fails for this order pair. Hence, we can say that if 1, 2 belongs to R, then 2, 1 does not belongs to R. 2, 1 is not the element of the relation R. Hence, the given relation is not symmetric because if A, B belongs to R, B, A does not belongs to R. For every A, B belongs to the given set R. Hence, the relation is not symmetric. Now let us check for transitive relation. Is this relation transitive or not with examples? For transitive, the condition is if A, B belongs to R, B, C belongs to R, this implies A, C must belongs to R for every A comma B comma C belongs to the given set R. R is the set of real number, and these are the relation. So let us check it with an example. Let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. It is clear that 1 comma 2 belongs to R because 1 is always less than 2. Condition of the relation is satisfied that A must be less than and equal to B. Similarly, 2 comma 3 belongs to R because 2 is always less than 3. Condition of the given relation is satisfied that A is less than and equal to B. Therefore, 1 comma 3 also belongs to R because 1 is always less than 3. Therefore, this is the examples by virtue of which we can say that the relation is transitive. In other words, we can say that if A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C, then A must be less than and equal to C. Because if either A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, this implies A comma C also belongs to R, hence the given relation is transitive relation. Therefore, we have proved that the given relation is reflexive and it is not symmetric, but it is transitive. Reflexive भी है, transitive भी है, परंतु ये symmetric नहीं है. That's all.